Hello, this is Connie from Prosperity Finance. I hope you are doing well. Today, let's talk about the topic of interest-only loan. Sometimes I hear people say, I want principal and interest, and probably they have already have some existing loans, but they want to pay principal and interest on each loan because they feel, that they pay down the loan, they feel, they are safer than having interest-only loan. But on the other hand, I have clients really want interest-only loan. So is it good or bad? It's actually interest-only loan has its own pros and cons. I can't say it's yes or no. It actually depends on situation and purpose. So today, let's talk about why interest-only. And we can spend another time talk about why not interest-only. So today, let's talk about why interest-only. Well, I have four reasons for people who should have interest-only loan. Number one is cash flow. It can't be more relevant than current environments. Interest rate has increased so much over the last 12 months. A lot of people feel really stressed about their repayments once their old rates came out fixed term. If you are interest-only loan, then the difference of the repayment won't be as much as if you are paying principal and interest. So give you kind of a relief for your cash flow. Because once your cash flow has a problem, then that's a big problem. Because you will probably have to think about sell assets, etc. But if you can keep up with the loan repayment, then you are fine. Because eventually the interest will come down, and eventually property will continue, increase, and you can build your property portfolio. Number two reason is a tax reason. If your loan, original purpose of your loan is for business purpose, for example, you top up your loan, but you want to inject that money into your business, that interest cost can be tax deductible. Therefore, you pay less tax. Same for investment property. If you have a property purchased before March 2021, then you should be able to deduct interest until 2025 at reduced scale. Hopefully, finger crossed, next year, if we change governments, hopefully that rental property interest deductibility rule can be restored. Hopefully, okay. So that second reason for interest-only loan is for tax benefits. Number three is if you have unsecured loan, like personal loan, for example, car loan, or you have outstanding balance for your credit card and other consumer card like Q card, Gemstone card, etc. The interest rates are very high compared to home loan. So it is better to have interest only on your home loan and focus on your cash flow to pay off these personal loans so that you can save money. The last point about having interest-only loan is that if you have multiple properties and you have multiple loans, I normally recommend that you pay off one loan at a time, because once you pay off that loan, you can discharge the property, so the property become mortgage-free. The benefit of that is you can protect your assets, because anything wrong with other loan, your mortgage-free property are safe. Bank cannot grab that property and force you to sell. So it's asset protection, and you can also use mortgage-free property maybe to borrow money from other sources that outside the bank scale. So there's many benefit of having a mortgage-free property. So while you're paying for one property, keep other loans on interest only so that you can focus all your cash flow to pay off the first loan. And normally people want to choose to pay off their family home first, or a smaller loan, because it's easy to kind of pay it off. So these are the 4 benefits, and so it helps you to see, if that fits your situation. But if you are interested, just let you know that if you have a principal and interest loan repayment and you want to change to interest only, or you already have interest only loan and you want to extend for further years, it's actually involve a full application. Just like you apply for a new loan, you need to provide the full documents, and you also subject to the current lending policy. So not everyone can get that approved, but we are more than happy to review for you and let you know if we can do it or not. So hopefully you get some insights about interest-only loan. What are the benefits? And I look forward to the next episode, and we will talk about what is the situation that maybe interest-only loan is not a good idea. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.